Today we shall discuss operation on matrices. First operation is addition of two matrices. Today we shall learn how we can add two matrices when the addition is defined. Let us suppose we have two matrices A and B. Let A be of type m by n and B be of type m by n, where their entries are denoted by Aij's and Bij's respectively. Now, how can we find A plus B? Simply we have to add the corresponding elements of two matrices to get the new matrix A plus B, which will be of the same order as the order of A and B. Now let us discuss this with the help of example. Suppose we have a matrix A of this type, B of this type. This is of order 2 by 2. This is of order 2 by 2. So simply the order is same. We can add these two matrices. Now we shall add A and B. What we have to do is we have to add the corresponding elements. Matrix A is this plus matrix B is this. Now the first row and first column element is 2 here and 1 here. So we shall add 2 and 1. Similarly, this is A12, this is B12. So we have to add A12 and B12, that is 3 plus 2. Similarly, this is A21 and this is B21. So we have to add these two elements. This is A22 and this is B22. So we have to add these two elements. What is the answer? 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2, 6. This is your answer of A plus B. This is how you can add two matrices. Now, next operation is subtraction. Now, what is the case of subtraction? Addition and subtraction are done in very similar ways. There is the only difference of sign. Here is plus. To get subtraction, we shall write minus here. Everything else is same. That means we can subtract two matrices if and only if they are of same type. Their order is same. Number of rows and number of columns is same in both the matrices. So let us discuss this with an example. Take these two matrices again. Now we shall find A minus B. What is A here? A matrix is this and B matrix is this. Now to subtract these two matrices, we have to simply subtract the corresponding elements. So we shall write 2 minus 1, that is 3 minus 2, that will be the second element. 1 minus 1, second row, first column, second row, second column. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 1 4. This is the answer of matrix A minus matrix B. This is how you can subtract two matrices. Now next operation is scalar multiplication. Next is scalar multiplication. Now what is scalar multiplication? If you multiply a matrix with a scalar, or we can simply say if you multiply a matrix with a number, then that is known as scalar multiplication. For example, I want to multiply the matrix A with 3. Here is the matrix A. We are taking the same matrix again. Now this is 3 times of matrix 2, 3, 1, 5. Now how you can multiply a scalar with a matrix? The scalar multiplication is defined as we have to multiply every element with this scalar. We have to multiply this scalar with every entry of the matrix. So what we shall do? This is 3 into 2. Multiply 3 with another element. Multiply 3 with this element also. Multiply 3 with 5 also. So we have 6, 9, 3, 15. This is your answer of 3A. 3A means we are multiplying the scalar 3 with matrix A. This is how you can multiply a scalar with a matrix. Now let us discuss how we can evaluate different expressions using these operations. Suppose we have a matrix A, a matrix B, and a matrix C. And we are asked to find 2A minus 3B plus C. Say we can be given any such type of expression and we can be asked to evaluate it. So we are evaluating this. Now how you can evaluate this type of expressions? Simply we have to substitute the matrices here. In place of A, B and C, we have to substitute matrices here. So what we shall get? 2. 2 is scalar here. We shall operate scalar multiplication here. What is matrix A? We are given this. Minus 3. B is this matrix given to us. Matrices will be given to us and we are asked to calculate the matrix obtained by operating these operations. Now plus C is 0, 2, 1, 3. Now firstly what you have to do is operate scalar multiplication. Firstly operate scalar multiplication. Multiply this scalar 2 with this matrix. How you can multiply? You have to multiply this scalar with every element of the matrix. So we shall get 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 0, 0. Minus, multiply 3, 3 into 1, 3, again scalar multiplication, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3. Plus this matrix. Now simply you have to subtract and add here. So we shall get 4 minus 3 plus 0. Operate the corresponding elements. This is the element in first row first column. This is the element in first row first column. This is the element in first row first column. So we are operating these elements and we shall get the first row first column element here. What will be next element? That is first row second column element 2 minus 0 plus 2. Next is 2 minus 0 plus 1. Next is 0 minus 3 plus 3. So we have 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 here 3 and 0. So this is the answer of this expression which was asked to us. This is all about the operations, addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of a matrix with a scale. And this is how we can evaluate different expressions, that is the result of different expressions as matrix using these operations. Thank you.